brothers and sisters, bunions and blisters, children of all ages. I am your boy T Squared, the Renaissance man, coming back with yet another mobile home tour extravaganza. Today we decided to have a little extra fun, and we snuck in a drinking game for you kids. Every single time that you hear a smoke detector chirp, you will take a shot. Trust me, there is enough chirps in here to get you all right. Today we are going to be taking a tour of the Clayton Homes Triumph floor plan. That's a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,001 square feet home. A wise man once said, watch out for the big girls. And this thing here is mighty, and she's letting it all hang out. So take a walk with me as we stroll through this beast. Get our first peek. Let's go ahead and get an eye for. This is a whole buffet of a house. Massive 5-bedroom house. I'm gonna run down the stats for you in just a moment off the fridge. But we're looking at the living room area, kitchen and dining space area. Man, got a lot to take in. Nice vinyl sheet flooring here. Pretty sure there's gonna be a lot of features that we're gonna knock out along the way, so let's get it moving. Let's get a nice long pan of this kitchen island area. Nice space through here. You got your dining room space area. If you ain't got enough room here to eat, you got a problem, point blank. Got the nice dark trim throughout. A little bit more traditional on the finishes in this house than some of the other ones. Vinyl flooring throughout. Of course, with appliances and whatnot, you can always go for the upgraded packages. Whatever you see can always probably be altered and switched. Options galore. We're gonna take a look at the stats on this particular house. We're dealing with the Triumph. This is the Big Daddy. 5-bedroom, 3 bathrooms, 2,001 square feet, starting at $108,899. We got some of our smart carrier HVAC system, your rainwater heater, your ecobee smart thermostat, Frigidaire appliances, Fitzer bathroom fixtures, LED lighting, insulated doors, sealed duct system, whole house ventilation, argon gas low E windows, and a partridge in a pear tree. So just get a good look at the stats here. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see some of the features here. Just bear in mind that 108 is starting at. That's without any additional options that might be in here. That's not counting in them delivering the home to you and whatnot. Get the nice basic regular wood look here. Normal pulls. Get your black appliances. Got our dishwasher here. Aluminum countertops. As you hear, we got the Chirpy McChirp in the background. All right, and we got our laundry area. Sheet vinyl flooring continuing throughout. Nice long rack here over the washer and dryer hookup areas. Pretty decent space. That's your hose hookup for the dryer. This is your rear access to the home. Access to your circuit breaker panel right here. This is also your main water access for the house too as well. Don't know how I feel about that little disco globe they got right there. Definitely getting the stock stuff in here. That's why this one's down at 108 versus being 150 and the higher numbers of some of the other units. And this is our utility access over here. And that will be our furnace, the Smart Comfort carrier system that they have in the house. Our water heater access would be here behind this panel. One more time for this dining room and kitchen area. Gets a nice look here from the laundry room. So not all the fancy bells and whistles in this one. I think they focus more on the size in here. Get more of our traditional kind of ceiling texture. More of your traditional light bulb light fixtures versus all the fancy LED lighting. And apparently, no fancy batteries for smoke alarms. All right, so we got a nice dining room area here. We got our natural lighting coming in through this window. Definitely wide open space here. Shout out to the people that like to put Hallmark slogans on the wall. You look like the rest of my life. What is that supposed to mean? That ain't even a good player line. You look like the rest of my life. We do got one extra feature here, which is the ecobee smart thermostat. Gotta have those, can control those from the phone, be able to control your climate from the house when you are away from home. And we're gonna take a look here. Well, thought we was gonna take a look here at our first bathroom, but it's gonna be a little dark. Looks like the light's not working in this particular one. But standard finishes throughout. Modest sink here. So this would be the shared bathroom for your guests and for your children or whoever's living on this side of the house. Just a standard glass mirror. Pretty normal. Get your standard fiberglass tub shower unit combination. Still continuous with that globe lighting throughout. Guess your inner designer can actually come up with some alternatives for that if that's a little bit too standard for your taste. So we got our first bedroom here. Pretty decent size. Got our smoke detectors here, which you've been hearing throughout this whole video. Get over here to the corner so we can get a good look at this here. There's our culprit. That's Chirpy McChirp right there. They got the battery out. I wonder if that's the reason why it's acting up. Shout out to those people that can live in that house all day long with this thing chirping and yelling and just tuning it out and pretending like it doesn't exist. I don't know how you could do it. I could barely do this walkthrough without it driving me nuts, let alone living with it every day chirping every 5 seconds. So shout out to you people. You're a special breed of person and you can live with this thing chirping all day like that. Yeah. We got our one window that lets in natural light for this bedroom. Decent closet. We got our globe lighting in here. We're gonna check out the size of this closet. Pretty narrow closet. So just enough to possibly fit some kids' things in here. Got your shelf at the top. We can try to fix this ourselves real quick. That shouldn't even be out. We'll see if that solves our problem. And if so, I'm gonna send my invoice to Clayton on now. So we'll come around here. Got a pretty interesting corner here. So looks like we got 3 bedrooms on the corner axis of the house here. When you step out of this bedroom, there's 3 more right here. And that didn't solve our battery problem. But we're gonna keep it moving. So we got door number 2, door number 3, door number 4. We're gonna try out door number 2, which I believe is another bedroom for us. Sheet going throughout. Coming to this space, pretty similar. One window to let in natural light for you. Definitely not a bad sized bedroom. We're back at our closet access here. Get one more pan in the room from this corner here. One thing I am noticing, and I was just curious about why they had these globes here. It's pretty heavy on the ceiling right here. You can already see the actual globe separating away from the ceiling. And I can tell that these globes dropping is a problem because you can see the strings wrapped around the glass globe to make sure they don't fall. That's also to take care of it while it's moving in transit, make sure things don't fall and break. But man, these globes seem like they're pretty heavy on this ceiling area. Yeah, definitely saving a little bit more money on this one. So you're going more towards having the bigger space and less towards some of the extra craftsmanship and molding and some of the fancy bells and whistles we have in the other one. You can kind of see the trim kind of separating a little bit right here. So you're gonna see a little bit less attention to details in this particular model to try to get the cost down on it. And we're gonna go right around the wall here to the next bedroom that's on the front. Same amount as the rest. Pretty much making sure no one gets a little bit more than the next person. Pretty decent size in here. Front part of the house, big window. Closet in here. Got a little lighting, got a pull string. It's even got a pull string, so not only is it heavy on the ceiling, that pull string is gonna be pulling that and separating that away from the ceiling. I can see that being a problem later. Once again, plenty of light sockets here. Perfect for any teenager with 1,000,001 gadgets. Even Inspector Gadget can charge up in here and do what he needs to do. No problem. So we're gonna take a quick look at the shared bathroom on this end. Pretty standard. Some nice little details on the fiberglass tub and shower combo in this one. This isn't gonna have an enclosure. You have your own curtain rod here for later. Standard vent. Same globe lighting throughout. Same texture ceiling. Later on, you can always get a lot fancier nowadays and get your own mirror access for your own vanity purposes. Got a traditional oval sink here, laminated countertops, consistent pulls and handles and hardware throughout. Pretty decent throne here to claim your kingdom. And we're gonna duck into this next bedroom and see what we got popping in here. Pretty much the same MO throughout. Same lighting, same trim. I want to say whoever gets this closet is getting a little shorter end of the stick. It's got a little bit more in width, less in depth, but not as deep as some of the other closets. This is more of a rectangular shape versus a square shaped closet. All right, so we're gonna ease on down the vinyl sheet road and see what's going on here in the primary suite. And we're gonna be nosy, see what's going on here in the primary. Gotta admit, pretty deep primary bedroom here. Very nice space. You can tell by my echo, we're stepping things up a little bit in the size in this one. Double windows to let in extra light for a bigger space. Oh, this is real nice. You could put a bed over here, you could put a little seating area in here, so you got a lot of options with this particular space. Oh, don't you worry, we're gonna sneak in that bathroom in just a second. Space. Towards the primary, you are the king or queen of your domain on this side of the house. Got our vinyl sheet flooring here. Pan up. And be aware, in this bathroom, it looks like it has the automatic fan that cuts on every single time you cut on the light. So bear with me if I sound like I'm from the wind tunnel in this one. Pretty deep bathroom though. Got it sectioned off here. No separate water closet, but tucked away your toilet here. Standard mirror here. Oval sink, laminate countertops. Wood look, standard finishes. So they tucked away your tub and shower combo here. Got your little step-in fiberglass tub shower combination. Got your nice bright lights. I tell you, these globes are really throwing me off. It makes it feel like you got the sun in your house. Like you got one of those old high school planetarium booklets. You got the solar system. You should see the Earth and the other planets revolving around this actual dome here. Shout out to the solar planetary light globes in here. Just gonna give you guys a little hit of this walk-in closet. Just be thankful that your boy is looking out for you and taking you guys on these tours. Also, I would be thankful if you hit that subscribe button as well. You can tell by my separate echo in here that this thing got a little width. She got a little girth. Very decent sized closet. Got your wire racks going on over here. But I know you ladies know exactly what to do to get rid of this. You're only one closet factory call away from making this thing your own personal fashion museum. Pretty impressive. So with that concludes our tour of this particular house. I'm gonna throw up some blueprints up here on the screen so we can kind of get an idea of what's going on with the floor plan here.
All right, kids, that's another one for the history books. I definitely want to thank you guys for strolling with the kid around this beast of a mobile home today. If you're not too drunk and slammed from our drinking game, I want to remind you, I am a mobile home investor. I specialize in used mobile homes. That means that if you're trying to get your hands on a used mobile home, if you're trying to sell a used mobile home, if you've inherited a mobile home and don't know what to do with it, need to get rid of it, all the above. If you got a mobile home on land and you're trying to get it sold, or you got land is empty and you're trying to get a mobile home placed on your land, give me a call if you live in the Hampton Roads, Virginia, Maryland, North Carolina areas. I would be more than happy to take my expertise and put it to work for you guys at any given time. I am a gun for hire. So as I always say, you guys could have been anywhere in the world, but you chose to be here with me, and I appreciate that. So join me again on the next one. Peace out.